guys? So I'm actually headed to the alignment shop right now because I lowered my car about a week ago and it's settled pretty much as it will. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that aligned, and I also want to get some clips of my car driving by because I've never heard it from the outside perspective. And to me, when driving it, it sounds super quiet. That's why I want a mid-pipe so bad. But I at least want to get some footage of the stock exhaust before I put the mid-pipe on. So I'm gonna go ahead and head over to the shop, get the alignment, and then let's get some clips of the car. All right, so I'm out getting an alignment, and this guy that's doing the alignment has this VR30. It's full bolt-on, custom tune E85. He told me it's pretty fast, so he wants to compare against the M3. It's supposedly pretty quick, so I guess we'll see. He's got HREs, and he said it's stance right now, but it used to be built just for like the drag strip and whatnot, so it's pretty clean. All right, so I just found this little road in Mexico, and dude, this thing just looks so good. Looks so mean. I'm literally obsessed with this thing, especially ever since I lowered it. That's just what it needed to just look that much better. The blue has really grown on me because it wasn't my first choice for color, but in person, this thing just looks amazing. The blue looks so good. It's definitely more exotic too. Everyone gets gray, but I don't know. I like the blue. All right, let's go ahead and get some sound clips though. Like 75% throttle and all I did is spin. That's crazy. All right, here's windows down just so you can hear the difference. All right, so it probably doesn't help that it's a little windy and this road is absolute trash, but that sounds pretty good. I think with a mid-pipe, it'll sound perfect and just where I want it, especially with the valves, because that was valves open. Valves closed is pretty quiet, which is how it should be, so that's super nice that it works well. And hopefully it stays that way with the mid-pipe. So as you guys can see, these tires do not like to grip when it's cold out. They're the P0s, so a lot of M3s come with the Michelins, and then the others come with the P0s. And I got unlucky, and I have the P0s, which I haven't had a good experience with so far. But once I get better tires, we should be able to hook pretty good. I mean, it's not too big of a problem once the tires are actually warmed up, but it's getting the tires warmed up is the problem. As always, though, I appreciate all the support that you guys give me. Hopefully you enjoyed some of the content with my buddy's F80. I have a lot more coming with other cars and this car, obviously. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see and stay tuned.